Ever wondered what the top things to do in Cascais, Portugal are? Nestled on Portugal's sun-kissed estuarial coast sits the charming town of Cascais. This former fishing village has transformed into a beloved holiday spot, boasting balmy Mediterranean climate, picturesque sandy beaches, and vibrant cultural scene. Cascais is a treasure trove of history, from its humble beginnings as a fishing town to its time as a royal getaway in the late 19th century. The town is rich in architectural marvels and stories of the past that are waiting to be discovered. The destination is a dream for travel enthusiasts, offering a blend of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art lover, or a beach bum, Cascais has something for everyone. The town's warm and welcoming locals make it all the more enticing, ensuring your visit is nothing short of magical. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the beautiful town of Cascais. First on the list, soak up the sun on the beautiful beaches. Cascais is home to a myriad of stunning beaches, each one offering its own unique charm. The golden sands of Praia da Rainha, tucked away in a cove, are a sight to behold. Praia do Guincho, with its wild waves and winds, is a surfer's paradise. It's not just about the sand and the sea, though. The unique rock formations at Boca do Inferno, carved by the relentless Atlantic waves, add a dramatic touch to the picturesque coastline. These beaches are perfect for a variety of activities. Whether you're a sun worshiper, an avid swimmer, or a surfing enthusiast, you'll find your little slice of heaven here. And let's not forget those who simply want to sit back and enjoy the view. The sunsets here are absolutely breathtaking. Remember to pack your sunscreen because the beaches of Cascais are irresistible. Next, step back in time with the historical landmarks. The enchanting town of Cascais is a living testament to the grandeur of the 19th century. Its architecture is a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. One can't talk about Cascais' history without mentioning the imposing Fortress of Our Lady of Light. This fortress, perched on the coastline, has stood guard over the town for centuries, a silent witness to the ebb and flow of history. Close by, the Palace of the Counts of Castro Guimarães beckons visitors with its ornate facade and lush gardens. This palace is a treasure trove of art and artifacts, each piece telling a part of Cascais' rich past. These landmarks, along with many others, weave a fascinating tale of a town that has evolved while maintaining a firm grasp on its historical roots. History buffs, prepare to be amazed by the architectural marvels of Cascais. Now, let's tantalize our taste buds with the local cuisine. In Cascais, the gastronomic offerings are as rich as the history and as vibrant as the culture. Fresh seafood is the jewel in the crown of this coastal town's cuisine. Grilled, stewed, or fried, it's a delight for the senses. Then, there are traditional Portuguese dishes that have stood the test of time. One such dish is pastéis de bacalhau, a crispy golden codfish cake that encapsulates the essence of Portuguese flavors. Paired with a side of rice and a splash of local olive oil, it's a meal that's both humble and heavenly in equal measures. And let's not forget about the local wine. Portugal's viniculture is world-renowned, and Cascais is no exception. A glass of wine here is not just a drink, it's an experience. From deep reds to crisp whites, each sip tells a tale of the land and the people who make it. Foodies, get ready for a culinary adventure in Cascais. Lastly, immerse yourself in the vibrant art and culture scene. Cascais is a thriving hub for the arts, brimming with local talent and international influence. The town's galleries are teeming with exquisite pieces that range from modern and abstract to classic and traditional. One such place is the Cascais Art District, a collective of galleries where you can not only admire the art, but also meet the artists. Then there's the Paula Rego House of Stories. This museum is home to the works of renowned artist Paula Rego, painting a picture of her life and influences. Every corner tells a story, every artwork a new chapter. But art in Cascais isn't confined to galleries and museums. It breathes through the local festivals and events that fill the streets with music, dance, and color. These celebrations offer a glimpse into the local culture and heritage, showing you a side of Cascais that's as authentic as it gets. Art lovers, prepare to be inspired by the creativity of Cascais. As you can see, Cascais, Portugal has something for everyone. This charming coastal town boasts an array of experiences that cater to all tastes. From the sun-kissed beaches, where you can relax and soak up the sun, to the rich historical landmarks that tell a story of a bygone era, Cascais never ceases to amaze. Let's not forget the gastronomic delights that await you. The local food and wine are a testament to the town's cultural heritage, offering a feast for your senses. And if you're an art enthusiast, the vibrant art scene is sure to captivate your imagination. But you know what? These words can only do so much justice to the true beauty and charm of Cascais. It's something that needs to be experienced firsthand. The town, with its welcoming people and stunning landscapes, beckons you to come and explore. So, when are you planning your trip to Cascais, Portugal? It's waiting to welcome you with open arms.